Welcome back. On First Ladies, Bobby Deol's wife Tanya Deol is in conversation with designers Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla.
Very media shy, and you always keep such a low profile. Is that intentional? Or?
I'm quite a private person to a point of being shy, not very comfortable in front of the camera. So I think that's just the way I like it.
Bobby take any interest in your work or
any contribution?
Any contribution?
He does have these funny contributions which I don't take seriously. They're really not something that's going to sell or anybody's going to like. But yeah, I mean, there are times where he'd say, oh wow, that's a beautiful piece. But I won't really take his suggestions very seriously.
So tell me, how did uppity South Bombay girl meet this Casanova film star?
The first time that Bobby did notice me was at Tutoria, where I went to have coffee with my brother and some common friends. Bobby actually knew one of them. And then I went to play cards during the Diwali season at Chunky's house. And Bobby came and he sat and he played cards with me at the same table. He kept losing to me, but he wouldn't pay me. He said, I'll take you out for a meal. And I was like, what's wrong with this guy? And then a while later, he actually called me up. It was some absurd hour in the night and I was fast asleep. So I pick up the phone and I say to him that I'll call you tomorrow. He says, you don't know who I am. I'm like, it's okay. And I bang the phone down because I was sleeping. The next day I asked all my friends, did you call me? Did you call me? They're like, no. So I didn't know who it was. And he thought I was this really snooty girl.
Yeah.
And then he decided 1 week later to actually try once again. And then when he called me, it was at a normal early hour. We spoke and we landed up speaking for like 7 to 8 hours that night.
So what do you speak to somebody possibly for 8 hours?
I don't know. It was a long time back. But
did you know at that time that he was the man, or?
I didn't sense it because it was just the first night that we spoke. But we did an entire week of that where we spoke for like 7 to 8 hours every single night.
What did the mother and father say? My daughter's gone absolutely nuts.
They didn't know.
Has his first movie come out? You knew who he was.
His first movie came out, but I hadn't seen it. I actually saw Barsat after I started dating Bobby. He had a trial where I went for and I saw it.
What's his most irritating habit?
He talks in his sleep. Most men snore. My husband talks. He has conversations with just about nobody in his sleep.
तान्या देओल को गुस्सा क्यों आता है?
जब भी मेरे बच्चे मेरे को बहुत तंग करते हैं तभी.
बॉबी देओल को गुस्सा क्यों आता है?
जब भी उसके रोल के रिक्वायरमेंट में होता है.
Diamonds or romantic dinners?
Depends on the size of the diamond.
What do you like most about Bobby?
He's very real. And that's very difficult to get in today's days. And he loves me a lot.